In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more crucial than ever. With cyber threats on the rise, the demand for skilled cyber analysts is skyrocketing. But how can you quickly and easily become a cyber analyst and secure a job in this exciting field? Let's find out. Step 1. Understand the role. A cyber analyst is responsible for protecting an organization's computer systems and networks from cyber threats. This includes monitoring network activity, analyzing security breaches, and implementing security measures. Step 2. Gain basic knowledge. Start with the basics of cybersecurity. Familiarize yourself with key concepts like malware, phishing, firewalls, and encryption. There are numerous online resources, including free courses and tutorials, to get you started. Step 3. Take online courses. Enroll in cybersecurity courses that offer certifications. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX provide comprehensive courses on cybersecurity fundamentals, ethical hacking, and network security. Completing these courses will give you a strong foundation and a recognized certification. Step 4. Get hands-on experience. Practical experience is crucial. Use platforms like Cybrary, TryHackMe, and Hack the Box to practice your skills in real-world scenarios. These platforms offer hands-on labs and challenges that simulate actual cyber attacks and defenses. Step 5. Network with professionals. Join cybersecurity forums, attend industry conferences, and participate in local meetups. Networking with professionals can provide valuable insights, mentorship, and job opportunities. Step 6. Update your resume and LinkedIn. Highlight your certifications, skills, and hands-on experience. Tailor your resume to match job descriptions and ensure your LinkedIn profile showcases your cybersecurity expertise. Step 7. Apply for entry-level positions. Look for job postings for roles like Security Analyst, SOC Analyst, or Junior Cybersecurity Specialist. These positions often require less experience and provide a stepping stone into the cybersecurity field. Step 8. Prepare for interviews. Research common interview questions and practice your responses. Be ready to demonstrate your technical skills and problem-solving abilities. Confidence and clear communication are key. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily transition into a career as a cyber analyst. With the right knowledge, experience, and networking, you'll be well on your way to landing your dream job in cybersecurity. Remember, the journey to becoming a cyber analyst is just the beginning. Keep learning, stay updated on the latest trends, and continue to hone your skills. The cybersecurity field is dynamic and ever-evolving, offering endless opportunities for growth and advancement.